And this is it mga kapatid. This is my chicken yellow curry. This is the Thai dish. And look at that. The sauce is very creamy. Come, let's eat mga kapatid. Ano, ready na yung mga kanin nyo? Ang sarap nito mga kapatid. And it's a bit spicy as well. And look at that. The chili, the mushrooms, the chicken, and the cashew nuts. Hello everyone, it's me again. Welcome back to my kitchen. It's me, Maltby Cooking, and now I am preparing for another dish. And my dish for today is chicken yellow curry. It's a Thai dish, and this is all the ingredients that I'm using. This is the garlic, ginger, slice of onion, is some mushrooms, that's the slice of chicken breast. And then I will use the yellow curry. This is the Thai curry paste. And of course, I will use coconut milk. And I will show you the other ingredients later on. Later on, I'm gonna use is salt and pepper. And then I think I will add a little bit of chili just to give an extra spicy on the sauce. And then I'll just add a little bit of sugar just to balance the spicy and the saltiness of the sauce. Okay guys, come and help me to cook. Now we'll add just a little bit of olive oil. Now the oil is hot already. We'll do is add the garlic, add the ginger, and we'll add the onion. Now we'll add the chicken breast. Now we'll add the yellow curry paste. Hindi ulit eh. A bit more. And now we'll do is add the mushroom. Now we'll add the coconut milk. What we'll do is add 1 Knorr cubes just to give an extra flavor on the sauce. And then we will leave this one as it is. We'll cook at least 20 to 30 minutes or until the chicken is tender and then the mushroom is cooked. Now we'll add the black pepper. Then we'll add some sugar. Now we'll add a little bit of chili. It's because of the curry paste. It's not really spicy. So I add 2 chili, 1 green and 1 red. And now I will add the cashew nuts. It's beautiful. I'll cook this one just for a few minutes and that's it, ready to serve. I just add a little bit of fish sauce. And that's about it. This is my chicken yellow curry. Chicken breast, cooked in yellow curry and coconut milk. It's yummy. And this is it, mga kapatid. This is my chicken yellow curry. This is the Thai dish. And look at that. The sauce is very creamy. Come, let's eat, mga kapatid. Ano, ready na yung mga kanin nyo? Ang sarap nito, mga kapatid. And it's a bit spicy as well. And look at that. The chili, the mushrooms, the chicken, and the cashew nuts. And of course, the creamy sauce. Tara, kain na po. Lamon na naman tayo. Mapapadami na naman ang kain ito ng kanin.